our session here at the Hive, we talk about different innovations that we work on internally, and together with external partners, we present different trends.
It was a very inspiring day. We saw some very interesting topics. Happy to see the different product ranges in the different hotspots.
I really liked it, and the food was really good.
New Skyliners is fantastic technology.
Very organized visit. I loved it.
That a group came together to think beyond outside the box.